Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Settings and heading straight to Display or Wallpapers. Different manufacturers label it differently. Once there, find the call screen, incoming call, or phone app entry and tap it. You do this because the wallpaper control usually lives inside the phone or lock screen settings rather than the general wallpaper chooser. Make sure your device is unlocked and any required permissions are granted so you can change call visuals without being blocked by security prompts. You now select the call screen wallpaper option and inspect choices: remove, default, none, or reset to system default. Tap the option that clears the image. On some phones, you'll pick default to revert to a plain background. If you previously used a third-party dialer or contact app, open that app settings and disable its wallpaper or overlay permission so it cannot reapply the image. Doing this ensures the change persists across reboots and incoming call previews. Finish by testing with an incoming call or the preview inside the phone app to confirm the wallpaper is gone. If the old image persists, reboot the phone. A restart often finalizes system UI updates. Make sure to clear the phone app cache or storage if rebooting fails, and uninstall or disable any third-party dialer that may forcibly set backgrounds. If you clear data, backup contacts first so you don't lose important information. This step fixes stubborn overrides.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.